kernels are very impressive. Using AI, we can see how each kernel pops from the cob, transforming into a vibrant room with people and activities inside. The lights and colors are magical. The power of AI is truly amazing, making everything look sharply magical. Now, I'll cut this tomato into quarters and then again. Let's see how AI can create with this tomato slice, resulting in a stunning, modern architectural space with lively activities and vibrant lights blending yellow and red. I'll cut it like this. Next, let's see how AI makes the kiwi seeds come to life. A new architecture emerges with sharp green colors. Everything looks unexpectedly real. Some purple cabbage, and AI will use the cabbage's patterns to create a new architecture for the house, incorporating the features of purple cabbage. You'll see how the design includes rows of people moving around. Next, with a lemon, resulting in a beautiful lemon-themed building with sparkling lights, a water feature, and surrounding houses with people passing by. You see, that's so amazing. Then, with a cucumber disc, AI will create a new architecture where cucumber seeds become beautiful rooms, and the cucumber rind shines with lighting. The result is a very modern, eye-catching space that looks like another world. Cantaloupe and observe its remarkable transformation with AI. From this simple fruit, a highly modern building emerges, adorned with greenery, radiant rooms, and bustling crowds. The result is a spectacular piece of architecture. Cut a fish in half and explore how AI can create intricate patterns from the fish's texture. The result is a building that looks like it's from another world, illuminated by a mystical moonlit night. It makes you wonder if such architecture could exist in reality. Finally, within it into a magnificent structure. The design features fantastical, vibrant curved lines, showcasing a perfect and dazzling architectural vision. This carrot and see how AI creates a new architecture inspired by it. The dominant orange color of the carrot and its curves transform into a beautiful design, with vibrant depictions of people moving around. Surprise with a peach. Its unique patterns is turned by AI into a building with architecture inspired by the plant. The result is a vibrant structure with sparkling yellow light and lively crowds, an incredibly realistic space. What about a dragon? The red skin of the dragon fruit is transformed by AI into an outstanding design. The dragon fruit seeds become spacious windows, with people looking very lifelike.